Hello and welcome to this month's Heatline video vlog. This month we're going to talk about the installation of a long length RetroLine, and a question that commonly is asked: what is the simplest method to install a long system in a pipe? On RetroLine systems 90 feet and longer, Heatline conveniently includes and applies a 6-foot long pull cord which you can use to help fish and pull the RetroLine system into the pipe. Step 1 to using the pull cord system is to fish another line or install a plumber's fish inside the pipe. In today's situation, we're going to just illustrate the install using what's commonly referred to as a mouse, or in this case, a conduit piston, which you can vacuum into a pipe, pulling in another pull cord. At this point, you can see we vacuumed the conduit piston in through the pipe, pulling in another pull cord, and we're going to show you now how we can go ahead and connect the RetroLine pull cord to our installed pull cord inside the pipe and pull the system in. We're now going to take our RetroLine system, unwrap the pull cord, get it laid out, have the RetroLine get set up on its reel on our stand, and then we'll go ahead and start to pull it into the pipe. So we've got our RetroLine set up. We've went in ahead and removed the conduit piston, unwrapped the pull cord, and we've done a sturdy overhand knot here to get our pull cord connected to the line going through the pipe. And now we'll proceed to feed it into the pipe to have the RetroLine installed. So we've finished pulling the RetroLine system into the pipe now. As you see here, you have the pull cord coming in at the end. Obviously, the end termination of the RetroLine is not right to the very tip of the pipe. It's back here about 6 inches. So now the big question is, how do we proceed to remove the pull cord from the pipe? And the answer to that is very simple. As you may or may not have recognized through this process, the pull cord that we provided on the RetroLine is actually a loop. And the reason for that in itself is imperative, because all we're going to go ahead and do is snip one length of the pull cord in half, and then easily grab the other end and pull it out. Because the RetroLine end seal was inside the pipe and we couldn't actually see what was taking place, I'm just going to give you a shot here on the end of a RetroLine outside of the pipe. So you can see we've actually taken the pull cord, we've cut it in half. The reason we did that was, like I said, when we cut it in half and we pull it out, what happens is the pull cord slips through this shrink that we've applied, and it allows the complete removal. And you want to make sure the last step is to remove the pull cord, because we don't want to leave it in the pipe because it could become an impediment in the future. We hope you found this video vlog helpful. We'll continue to release a new video vlog monthly, so make sure to stay up to date by signing up for our email newsletter, subscribing to our YouTube channel, and following us on Facebook and other social media pages. Thank you for watching.